Welcome to Outlander Madness, 4 places where history, Hollywood and hordes of confused tourists collide. Let's see what the all the fuss is about. Linlithgow, a town with a name that sounds like you sneezed halfway through saying it. It's been kicking it out since 12th century, mostly as a pit stop for medieval travelers who probably didn't want to be here. It had its market town glory days, doubled in industry, and now thrives on palace tourism and swan sweet attitude. Oh, and it's home to the legend of the Black Bitch, which, despite how it sounds, it's actually about a very loyal dog and not a 17th century insult. I love Linlithgow. Linlithgow Palace, once a luxury pad for Scottish royalty, now a very fancy ruin that Outlander fans treat like a pilgrimage site. Mary, Queen of Scots, was born here, because apparently being dramatic start at birth. Then, in 1746, the place burned down, which honestly just saved the English the trouble of invading it again. In Outlander, it played Wentworth prison, so if you visit, just picture less royal feasting and more Jamie Fraser getting absolutely battered. If you are a dumb Outlander pilgrim like us, you are walking to Blackness. No bus and no shortcuts. Just your feet and regret. Enjoy the safari. No groceries on the way, so good luck. But there is a lovely Navy-themed restaurant with a stash of sweets, and they were insanely nice. Stop by, grab a snack and support them.
There it is!
Welcome to Blackness Castle, where even the chapel couldn't be bothered to stay standing. It was the first thing to collapse under attack, proving divine intervention was on break that day. Built in 15th century by the Crichtons, this fortress was meant to be Scotland's ship that never sailed. Spoiler, it mostly just sank under cannon fire. It served as a royal stronghold, a prison, and occasionally a place for people to get absolutely wrecked by invaders. English blasted to bits in 1650, which apparently still wasn't enough, because they came back later to use it as an ammo depot. Outlander fans will recognize it as a Fort William, aka the place where Jamie Fraser had the worst time imaginable. Torture, whippings, and all the charm of the medieval Airbnb from hell. Oh, and before you leave, take a second to admire the fort bridges. They are stunning. Leave me a comment if you like the video so far. After Blackness Castle, we heroically tracked towards Midhope Castle. It's far, it's muddy, and thanks to Storm Eowyn, it looks like battlefield where Mother Nature won. Fallen trees everywhere, paths turned into obstacle courses, and after many miles, we started questioning our life choices. Next time, we might actually plan this properly. Midhope Castle, our grand destination, our shining prize, turned out to be total scam. thanks to the hunting season it was closed, because apparently dodging bullets isn't part of the Outlander experience. For those who don't know, this is Lallybroch, Jamie Fraser's family home, the place Outlander fan dreams of standing in front while dramatically staring into the distance. We, however, just got to dramatically stare at the do not enter sign. Brilliant. Shuddered, exhausted, and seriously reconsidering our choices, we limped into the Hopetoun House estate gardens. And a stretch of the John Muir Way, we saw deer, birds, and all kinds of majestic wildlife. Honestly, a stunning reward. But if you haven't liked or subscribed by now, I don't know if you even deserve to see this part. Anyway, Hopetoun House, Scotland's ultimate "look how rich we are" mansion, built in 17th century by Sir William Bruce and later upgraded by William Adam. It's basically what happens when you keep adding extensions until you own half of the landscape. Outlander used it as a Duke of Sandringham house, the Dukes of Argyll's place, and even some Parisian streets, because why build new set when you can just slap a different wig? I hope you enjoyed our muddy, slightly traumatic Outlander madness. If you made it this far, you officially have my deepest gratitude, and possibly some questionable life choices. Thanks for watching.